Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. For those who just came across of my channel, you know my blog called Eleftheria Business PR. I help businesses to grow traffic and convert clients. In today's video, I have a small tutorial about how to add YouTube videos into your emails. It's very important for you to send an email campaign to your subscribers to inform them about a specific video, or even to inform them about your YouTube channel. And what you can do is simple to have everything together in one video. So what you can do, I'm using a Weber, and as you know, I will put the link below. So you can come to your main dashboard in a Weber and then go to your email template manager and then go here to design your own, design my own template. Start with a Weber template. I mean, you can create your own, but there is a lot of, templates you can use. We're gonna start with just a simple one, so you don't have, to struggle. Or remember that, email marketing is very important, and you can write your emails, spend some time, 1 hour, 4 hours a month, create your emails, and then, sending them out. Now, simple as that. As you can see here, we have a simple template. We come here below, and then we drag this icon here, and as you can see here on the right hand side, is giving us the it's asking us to put the URL. So we're going to my YouTube channel here, and we copy and paste the link, and here we come here then onto URL feed, and we paste it here, and now you can see all the emails, all the videos I have done, previous videos, and you save it and exit. Now, it's very simple, but again, you can have like display image, the title, the author, of course, my name, and all the dates and everything, which is good. And if you don't want, for example, the date to be displayed, you can just this button here. As you can see, you see the day, and you can see you don't have the day. It's good to display the days. It looks more professional. So that's it. It's simple, and you can see it's very beautiful when you have all the images here and the icons and the images. And you can have a test right here. What is your email about? Have a test before, and then save and exit, and you are ready to go. So your next campaign, you can send this email to your subscribers, inform them about your YouTube channel, for people to subscribe or check out the latest video. So it's very simple, and those simple things are gonna help you make more money. And you have to distribute your content to the people, to the right people, so you can have more traffic and you can get more views when it comes to YouTube. That's it for me today. Don't forget to connect with me on the social media, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I wish you well.